After Bengaluru and the state of Uttar Pradesh, it's Delhi government that's decided to make Delhi pothole free, and that too by Diwali. So that undertakes a repair work as far as the roads of Delhi are concerned, stretching over 1,400 kilometers, managed by the Public Works Department by the end of October. Now, the Chief Minister of Delhi, Aatishi, has divided the responsibility amongst the top Aam Aadmi Party leaders, while Aatishi is looking into the situation in the southern part of Delhi. This is South Delhi and Southeast Delhi, while Saurabh Bhardwaj is taking care of East Delhi. Gopal Rai is going to be getting repair work done in the northeastern part. Kailash Gehlot is going to manage the west and southwest part of Delhi. And then there's Imran Hussain for central and New Delhi, and Mukesh Alawat for north and northwest Delhi. And of course, the Aam Aadmi Party leaders took to the streets early this morning in order to survey the situation on the ground as far as the roads are concerned, in order to get them repaired. So survey work going on at the moment, but that deadline is for Diwali. That's what the Chief Minister has said. Let's just listen into what the Aam Aadmi Party leaders are saying.
आज अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के निर्देश पर मैंने और मंत्री सौरभ भारद्वाज जी ने पूर्वी दिल्ली की कुछ सड़कों का निरीक्षण किया है, उनका जायजा लिया है और देखा है कि कई सड़कें खराब हैं। अब इसको ठीक किया जाएगा, इस सड़क को भी जल्दी ठीक किया जाएगा। जिस तरह से पूरी दिल्ली में बीजेपी वालों ने सड़कों की हालत खराब की है, दिल्ली के लोगों को परेशान करने के लिए उन्होंने इस तरह का माहौल बनाया, इस तरह के वो कि काम रुक गए, लोगों को परेशान करने के लिए काम रोके। लेकिन अब केजरीवाल जी आ गए हैं, अब ये काम भी होगा, ये सड़क भी जल्दी ठीक हो जाएगी और काम भी जल्दी जल्दी होंगे।
The Delhi cabinet ministers are all out on the streets early in the morning to inspect the poor road conditions in the capital city. I am right now in Patparganj, East Delhi, and I am joined by Delhi Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj, and he was also accompanied by former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, and they have been inspecting this entire stretch, which is a Patparganj main road. As you can see, it's a bumpy ride for the vehicles here, and this has been a long delayed process. Which all areas did you inspect here in East Delhi?
All the ministers of Delhi cabinet are on ground today. I was accompanied by our ex-Deputy Minister, Chief Minister, Mr. Manish Sisodia, to inspect the roads of East Delhi, and we are particularly in this area of Patparganj, Mandavli, Ganesh Nagar. For last few months, there has been heavy rainfall in Delhi, and bitumen roads, the blacktop roads, the tarpaul roads can tolerate everything, but they cannot tolerate water. So you can say that water stagnation is the worst enemy for any blacktop road. And wherever there was a stagnation of water, the roads have been destroyed.
Right.
Roads
So is it just the main road stretch? You said that this is a 2-kilometer stretch where there is only 250 meters of patchwork, broken patchwork. But then there are also the nooks and corners inside the residential areas.
So all these roads belong to different agencies. The main roads per se, which are wider than 60 feet, come under the purview of PWD. And the first target is to fix all the PWD roads, all the broad roads, the main roads. And the target is in the month of October, we should fix all the potholes on these roads.
Will there be like road carpeting?
Yeah, there will be road carpeting. There will be, wherever there is a need for repair, there will be a repair. Where there will be need for patchwork, we will do a patchwork.
Right.
So whatever is needed, we will do.
Situation here has been going on for the last 1 year. It's a sheer nightmare for commuters and residents living here in East Delhi's Patparganj. And I'm joined by the Resident Welfare Association RWA President Mr. Vora. So as you can see, this entire stretch is filled with potholes. And this area, as you can see, it has been dug up, but it has not been covered up yet by the civic agency groups. How do you think this is affecting the residents and the commuters on a day-to-day basis?
It's a daily routine, and in so many areas. I'm coming from Krishnanagar to Mayur Vihar, and this location, there are many spots where we have got potholes and this kind of situation. Naturally, it creates a problem for the commuters, at least during the rush hours, during the office hours, when they have to go to their office or when they have to come back. So why they are not doing it, timely and why they are not doing it properly is a cause of concern for all of us, whether it is you or we.
Right. So the Delhi government is of the opinion that for the last 6 months the work has been at a standstill because the top leaders were arrested and there's this political turmoil going on. And that BJP has sort of criticized as why they are doing this inspection right ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections. How do you see this? Do you think these are tall claims being made by the Delhi government, or do you think they will actually take concrete action to make Delhi pothole free before Diwali?
So there's no doubt that after when Kejriwal was sent to the jail, the things were topsy-turvy, right? There's no doubt. That's correct. Like, even after that, the persons who are behind, who are working, who are on the seat there, they must look into it. Why they are sitting? It's no doubt Kejriwal was in the jail, Manish Sisodia was in the jail, but all those who are out, they must look into it. They must take care of the public. They must take care of the problems, such kind of problems. Yeah, now they are coming out because it's the election time.
This is the Delhi's Chief Minister who's inspecting the roads early in the morning out here. This is in Okhla Phase 3, and as you can see, the condition of the roads that is right now in this area is not all right. The roads here are in a poor condition and the roads here are also damaged. As you can see, of course, the Chief Minister here, Atashi, is inspecting the road conditions, and they are on a deadline here right now. The Chief Minister has said that before Diwali, all the roads in Delhi will be pothole free. They've decided that they will be conducting this inspection work of the roads for a week with the PWD, that is the Public Works Department. And after a week, after inspecting all these roads across Delhi in different zones and regions, they will start the repair work of the roads in Delhi. So currently, as Delhi Minister Atashi, Chief Minister Atashi, is in this area in South Delhi in Okhla Phase 3. Other leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party as well are conducting these inspections across North Delhi, East Delhi. Saurabh Bhardwaj is in Patparganj currently conducting these inspections along with former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia. And Delhi Chief Minister Atashi is also conducting these road inspections in South Delhi, which is where also the area from where she's been the MLA. As you can see, she's done with her road inspection work now, and by the end of this month, by the end of October and before Diwali, what the Aam Aadmi Party promises alongside the Public Works Department is that they will finish up all the road work in Delhi and make Delhi pothole free. With camera person Sushil Rathi, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.
Right, thank you so much, Tanushka, for getting us all those details.